Is this just another clip-on flashlight or a multi-tool that happens to include a light? The updated Torcheye UDA from Godyga is a clip-on light that feels like it was designed by people who understand the needs of engineers, makers, and tool nerds. It's got a durable aluminum body, USB-C charging, IPX6 water resistance, and a magnetic base so you can stick it to any metal surface. The standout features include the built-in laser distance meter and an angle measurement function. You can quickly measure the distance to a wall or use it as an instant level when hanging shelves, pictures, or anything else that needs to be perfectly straight. It's one of those features you don't think you'll need until the moment you do. Having a flashlight, digital measure, and angle finder all in a compact form factor is a game changer. The lighting side is equally impressive. You get up to 650 lumens with a beam that reaches nearly 400 feet, along with a versatile 365 nanometer UV light for inspecting materials, finding leaks, checking currency, verifying documents, or hunting down stains you may or may not want to discover. Both the white light and UV light feature stepless dimming using the rotating bezel. So instead of being locked into a few preset brightness levels, you can dial in exactly the amount of light you need, which is especially useful when you're working up close on electronics, inspecting components, or trying to preserve battery life during longer jobs. One of the major updates from the original includes built-in eye protection. If the light detects that it's pointing directly towards someone's eyes, it will automatically shut off to prevent blinding you or someone else. The smart screen is another nice touch. Gives you pertinent information at a glance, like the battery percentage and runtime, so you're not guessing how much power you have left. On the back, there's an integrated clip, which can be used to keep it secure to your pocket, pouch, backpack, or even a baseball cap. There's also a lanyard hole to attach a wrist strap or a chain so you can wear it around your neck. The Torcheye UDA feels less like a flashlight and more like a multi-purpose tool for people who are constantly building, fixing, inspecting, and solving problems. And that's why it makes it one of the most innovative lights I've seen in a while. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I'll have links down below along with a 15% discount code from Godyga. Please remember to stick around for the raw and unfiltered section and leave a comment below about the feature you're most hyped about on the Torcheye UDA clip light. I'd love to know all your thoughts, and until next time, as always, God bless. Thanks for sticking around all the way to the end, and in this raw and unfiltered section, I want to go over some of the things I may have missed or forgot to mention, or just want to spend a little bit more time in depth on some of the things that I really like about the flashlight. This is all uncut, unedited, so it's just one take, one continuous take. So I just want to kind of go over some of the things that you might be interested in knowing more about. So I do have the original version. This is the Torcheye X1. This is the Torcheye UDA, which is the updated version or version 2. You can see they look very similar in terms of their design. I just think they're almost identical in most respects. You've got the two lights up front, the rotating bezel. Obviously, this one is in green. I really like the green. I thought it stood out, but now that I see the black, I think it looks fantastic. You've got the digital display and the Godyga logo. They made it a little bit smaller this time around. I think it looks a little bit nicer, a little bit neater. And you can see the back as well. It's just the same clip and everything else. So, some of the things that they've changed, and they actually asked the content creators that they sent the original out to for some feedback, and I was one of them. So I provided a few things that I thought would be nice to see in the new version. And so one of the main or biggest complaints I'm sure a lot of people had was the fact that when you turn this on, the light would go on automatically. So if you had this facing towards your eye, you'd get instantly blinded. So I'm not going to turn that on. I'm going to save your eyes. But on this one, if you turn it on, you can see the light doesn't turn on until you turn it away from you. Let's see if I can just make sure it's on. You can see when you turn it away from you, the light turns on, but then as soon as it detects your eye, it turns off. And I think that's a great feature, kind of a feat of engineering that's pretty impressive, to be honest with you, to be able to detect your eye and then have the flashlight go off. So kudos to them. Another thing is that this one had a red light. Again, I'm not going to turn this on because I'm not sure what mode it's on, but this one had a red light as the secondary light. Now this one has the UV light. Let me just get to the UV light. And has 3 different brightness levels. So you just hold it down, you can see the 3 different brightness levels for the UV. And I think that really helped it to find their target audience. They kind of understood the assignment that this is going to be a great light for people that are DIYers or lab technicians, contractors, people like that work in the field. This is not going to be like a camping light, or, I mean, you can use this for EDC, but this is really great for people like that. So along with the angle measurement function, I didn't know that they were going to include that. I think just this is an overall great light to have that replaces a lot of the bulky tools in your tool bag. So if you're like a lab tech, contractor, like I said, this would be a great light to just EDC and have in your pocket, and then pull it out just for some quick measurements. You know, if you want to measure a distance to the wall or get an angle or use it as a leveler, I think that's a great thing to have. It even has the ability to take multiple measurements, so you can get the, you know, square footage or area of a room or something like that. So that's really cool. And I really love the fact that the bezel, I think that it definitely improved the bezel a little bit. I don't know. I don't know. It seems like the bezel is about the same, feels about the same. It does remind me of like a dive watch bezel. I really like the look of that. I still think they could probably improve the bezel just to make it a little bit more smooth. Maybe in version 3 they'll get it right. But it's not like the loop gear dot, which is one of the best bezels that I've ever used on a flashlight or a clip-on light like this. So, but it's not a bad bezel by any means, but it does work. I just think it could be a little bit smoother. And of course, you've got the digital display. You've got all these settings where you can go into and change the brightness levels and things like that. So overall, really great light from Godyga. Check out the discount code below if you're interested, where you can find it on Amazon. It is a little bit more premium than other flashlights, clip-on lights that I've covered on this channel, but for what you're getting, I think it's very innovative. And the fact that it can replace 2 or 3 different tools like the measuring tape and angle measure or leveler, and then along with the flashlight and the UV light, I think you're getting something that is well worth the price. So let me know what your comments are down below. And until next time, as always, God bless.